My bad, y'all. 2 minutes before open, but let's see if we can get it going here. Get it going, get it flowing. All right. So 15-minute chart. Did this high? This high actually did break above this high, which means we could see a push up. But the one thing I'm noticing is along with this break above here, I also see a break below here, right? And I also see this ILC right here on the 15-minute, which should possibly be, let's just be quick about this. So if we're looking for buys to push up to the upside, right, so we do see this here, right? This is around the 50%. Let's turn this green. Let's turn this green. Perfect. All right, but now we can see a reaction there. But also, I see since this low broke below this low, we can possibly see this is a 15-minute. Right here, 50%, and I like this one personally. Right in the golden zone. Boom. I like this personally. And then we also have this 4-hour that's been respected and rejected. Right. Let's call it support, support, resistance, resistance. Honestly comes up to right here, right? So this is a true support resistance area. We could see a fall off from here. Something like this. Let's break it down to the 5-minute. You can see it's already being respected and rejected. I actually do like either of these from here. So it would need to be a big stop loss, but you just got to remember that these are going to have to be I think we should see it come down to the daily. Unfortunately, everything is down right now, so we'll see. But let's get into it. Hopefully oh, it's already fallen. Hold on. See if it makes its way up here. Still got quite a distance to make it up there. Alright, let's see. Another rejection at that 20 EMA. Oh. Alright, let's see here. Alright, I have some cells in. Ooh, damn. I got some cells in now. This is a key area right here. Remember? See how it's respecting that ILC? Got to make sure it breaks through that. See how it's not breaking through it? I don't like that. I don't like that. Damn, I was up like 300, 360 or something. Now I'm up about 20 bucks. Let me show you guys where I'm in. See if it falls off, but it looks like it kind of could just come up and match the energy, match the candle. No big news coming out today. I'm in at 914 on my bottom position. $920 on my top position. See if it can come down. Doesn't quite look like it is, to be honest. Let's go to the 1 minute. I just got stopped out. Let's see where it takes us now. Still respecting and rejecting that area. See what happens here. Not a lot of volume, which I don't like. I have nothing in right now, but let's see if we could get a better position in. Yeah, this is exactly what I was worried about. It's just not too much volume coming into the market. I have nothing in, so I've stopped out at break even. If I'm gonna hop in here, I'm gonna need this to fully engulf, and that'll give me like more confidence to take the trade. Oh, just as I was saying. See how it finishes. Still early in the play clock, right? And that's where you want to wait for the candle to finish. Right, you see that? That's why you want to wait. Still looks like it should continue up. But let's see. You got to see it. Let's make it bigger so everybody can see it. I know I see it, but I think we're going to have to wait till here, till it gets up to our zone. We have a smaller stop loss. But if it comes down, if it keeps respecting this and breaks below it, then we know that we have a shot. But as of right now, it looks like it should build up, stack, and continue to push up. Probably use this as support, but it has to finish strong above here. See how it's not? That's kind of showing me it could come down if it falls off, because it's still using the 20 EMA as support. So let's see. Okay, I like that. I'm about to enter if it finishes strong down here. It didn't finish strong, so it still has a chance to push up. See that? Still using a support. So it can still stack and build and push up to these areas up here. Oh, this rejection is pretty huge right here, so I think it should continue up. See this rejection? I think it should continue up, but we'll see. I like this area too to fall off, so we'll see if it gives us that. Yeah, it looks like it should push up this way. Got the 15-minute right here as well. The crossover starting. You see how it rejected this area perfectly? That's no mistake, right? Got out of that ILC block pretty easily. So let's see. I think I might enter a small position here, bigger position here. So let's see if it gives it to us. Look at that rejection. See if it can hold it though. Like that. I think I'm going to enter a little small position here if I see this rejection come in. I like that. Don't like that. That's a big push up. So let's see. See, I think I'm going to put a position in right here. We see it start to slow down. It's not slowing down. Sheesh. Alright, this is go time right here. Go time. I like the reaction. Let's see if it goes our way. I'm in the trade now. See if it goes our way. It's got a lot to break through, so hopefully it goes our way. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully it makes its way back down, and it has a lot of things it needs to get through. So let's see. Let's see. It's kind of making its way down. Let's see if it could really make its way down. On the 1 minute, it's showing little support right here. We needed to break through all of this. It has a lot to get through, truthfully, particularly this 4 hour. So let's see if it can do that. One thing I don't like is it doesn't look like there's a whole lot of volume. I mean, it's moving, but I kind of feel like this is more institutional movement more than anything. So let's see. Still not breaking through. See that? Just keeps using this as support. So that's not looking so great. We got to have it break through all of this. Once we see a big breakthrough here, then we know we're into something. But it has to break through all this. So let's see. Still using it as support. Got to really break through it, like I said. Come on. Come on. Break through this motherfucker. Come on. Break through it. See how it's rejecting it? Respecting and rejecting this 4 hour. We needed to finish strong through here. Come on. Come on. Yeah, I don't like that reaction, but hopefully it can use this as resistance now. But if it comes and fills all this, and push up. So we need to see it fall off from here. Hopefully that's what we see. Because I don't like how it just used this as support, kind of. We need it to fall off and continue to come down. Use these things as resistance now, but hopefully we'll see that. I usually don't like when it shows it so early, so let's see. Yeah. See how it's trying to break through all this? See what it gives us. Break through that motherfucker. Come on. That doesn't look good. That doesn't look good at all. I mean, this is kind of the last defense right here. I think if it gets through all this, then we're looking at something completely different. I think the buys are going to start to hit, but trying to trust it, right? This low was broken. So let's see. Like that, but we need it to actually fall off. Break through the blue EMA like that. Let's see. Still 15 seconds and still push up. Yeah, it's giving the sellers a lot of false hope right now. Keeping them bearish until, the very last second, and then it goes bull. So let's see. Just keep pushing, keep falling. Break through that motherfucker, come on. See how it's not breaking through? Come on, dog. It's not breaking it. Okay, come on. Come on. Let's go. All right. I just closed some profits right now. Next one I'm going to let ride. We're almost close to 100 pips right now. Let's see if this thing could keep flowing to the downside. There's a key area right here that it's not breaking. You see what it's holding up on right there, right? So support, 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 resistance, support, even a little bit of support right there. So let's see if it can continue to flow down. Let's go. Just crossed over that 100 pip mark right there. Cool. I just closed. I have a .03 runner now. Let's see where it takes us. Stops to break even, obviously. The one thing I don't like is that it's respecting this, right? A little too much. We don't want it to come up and break through all this now, right? I want to see it break below, which it didn't. But now let's see if we can use these things as resistance, right? The bottom of this R2S, use this 50 EMA as resistance, use the 4 hour R2S and the 15 and the 5 minute. So hopefully we can see that happen. I've taken most of my profits for the day. Um, Damn, it's flying up pretty quick right now. So let's see if we can keep it below. And again, as a scalper, this is why I take some of these trades out at these areas right here, right? Ah, I don't like that. Don't like that. Don't like that. I like that. Showing a little bit of respect to the EMA. So, mm, looks like it could push through. So let's see. Oh, I like that. See if it can hold it. Come on. Yeah, it's bouncing off of something. Hold on a second here. There's some I'm not seeing right here. All of them are up there, so I don't know. on the daily. Daily's right there, but I don't think that's necessarily holding it up or holding it down. I'm gonna just trust that this is a downtrend. But the one thing that's fucking with me is this high broke this high. But yeah, you know what? I think it could be pushing up. 66 pips, damn. I think it could be, it looks like it's coming up now. Just look at the 1 minute. See how it's stacking up here? Our only hope now is really this area right here. This is our biggest hope right here. Because if it breaks through this, then it's going to come in, take us out. All that good stuff, right? So we don't want that. Let's see what happens. I got a 0.03 runner. Let's see. Come on. Now that it's on top of the 1 minute 50 EMA, now I can use it as support. Continue up. Ugh, excuse me. So let's see what we got here. Hopefully we can touch and fall. That's the big thing. Touch and fall. So hopefully at worst we see this. 1 point. Dotted. And this. That's what I'm hoping to see. If it breaks above all this, then we know it's not gonna do what we need it to do. Ooh, I like that. I'll take that even better. Yeah. But it's still using it as support. So let's see. See that? Come on. Come on. Finish below. Still 20 seconds left, right? Come on. I like that. Come on. Breakthrough. Breakthrough. It's not breaking through, but let's see if it can make it down. Damn, it's not breaking through. Unlucky numbers. I just closed another 0.01 just because around 78 pips. So let's see. Let's see if we can get this other one around the same area. Or breaking through this area. Hasn't broke through it yet. Damn, look at that. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and take it. We'll see what's what. It looks like it could be coming up though, fellas. Yeah, it's using that as support now. I closed another 51 pips, 0.01. If it comes up and takes me out now, then it takes me out. You know, it is what it is at this point, so we shall see. That was fire. Raiders with the big victory. Let's go. Damn, of course it falls off. I'm a jack. Okay, okay, man. I'll take it. It's all gravy. Like I said, this is one of my bigger issues, right? This might be one of the. I see a bunch of traders who are saying that they're done trading for the rest of the year. It's getting close to that. Well, we're 2 weeks away from the year ending, 11 days or 12 days from the year ending. So I think we could definitely see that happening for me as well, especially when you're seeing it like this, right? There's a lot of consolidation now at this point, right? You can kind of see it here. Consolidation. Actually, it could continue up right now. Consolidation, expansion down, retrace. All right, let's see. 23 seconds left. I mean, truthfully, it has to finish down here because we know there's a small support level right here that's sitting in this area right here. Right there. Or something like that. You can see that support level formed. Ooh, let's see if it does what we want it to. Man, so it's like kind of doing. I said it was gonna do that a long time ago. You see the arrows right here, but it's not breaking this small support level right here. And volume's pretty dead. I've basically taken out everything except the .01 runner. Stops are about, I don't know, 20 pips in the profit, I think. So I don't know. The volume's pretty dead right now, so I'm thinking we might just call it a day. Um, but we're able to catch 100 plus pips on this trade at one point, and let's see if we can, you know, get this to 200 or 300 by the end of the day. We'll see. Not sure yet because volume is pretty dead, but let's see. Let's see. It's got to break this. This is the small level that I was talking about. Nope. See how I just used it again? It's like it wants to break it, but it's just not breaking it. I'm not sure what it's going to do at this point. I'm just being honest. Not quite sure, but I think right now I'm going to just go ahead and hop off. I'm going to put my stops. I put my stops just above here, about 15, 20 pips into profit. And we shall see if it either comes down here or comes and takes us out up there or just wiggles in between here, consolidates. We shall see. But I got to get my kids ready now for school. So make sure you guys tune in tomorrow. We'll see what the market's like. Hopefully, oh, look at my breakthrough. Hopefully this market is still moving tomorrow. We got Christmas coming up this week. I think for sure this is my last week of trading. I don't think there's any point in trading next week. But yeah, so let's go ahead and check that out. I'll be on tomorrow. And I think tomorrow's going to give us a better gauge of how the rest of the week's going to play out. We got some news coming out as well. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in with me today. I appreciate it. You guys have yourselves a good one. Oh yeah, and make sure to follow Day Trade with Zay. Follow at Day Trade with Zay. Make sure to tune in with that. And yeah, appreciate you guys, man. Have